Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we'll be talking about the cybersecurity model stage 3, which is delivery. So before jumping into the video, just a disclaimer: hacking without the permission is illegal, and this channel is strictly educational for the learning about cybersecurity in the areas of ethical hacking and penetration testing, so that we can protect against real hackers. So saying that, let's jump into the video. So coming to the stage 3, this is the process of delivering the weaponization content to the target digital environment. So basically there are two different methods which the hackers can be using. The first method is using the ports. So if there is any open port, they can try to exploit it. For instance, let us say we are playing some old-fashioned game and that game requires FTP to be opened or some other port. So while we are playing the game, this particular port will be opened. So using that port, the attackers can penetrate into your systems. So that is one of the method these attackers can use. Coming to the second one, they can use phishing techniques. So using this, they'll be sending some phishing emails to you, which will be like original, and you'll be trying to clicking it, and your email will be compromised. So that is the second method. And they can also use the USB cables here. So when they use the USB devices, there will be certain code which will be injected inside that USB device. So there are like various tools through which it can be done. So I've used Wi-Fi Pineapple. So you can see here how can we prepare the USB disk. So you'll be having the code as well. So you can see you have the code as well, and you can try this, and you can inject into the system and you can just try whether it's working or not. But make sure you use it in the virtual devices. So this is one of the things that I want to tell you. And to protect against this stage 3, you have to use some intrusion detection systems as well as prevention systems, and you should also use the DNS filtering, so that if there is any malicious website that cannot be opened. So these are some of the techniques which can be used, and even the blue teams will be using advanced threat detection, for instance sandboxing, to find the malware. So yeah, these are some of the techniques that we can use in order to protect ourselves. So hope you guys have understood the concept of delivery, which is the stage 3. So if you have understood the concept, please like the video below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.